Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's wonderful to see you all here again, live on the Day Trader. We're here live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real money, my actual portfolio live on the screen. Everything you see here is 100% real, and we're live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell with a wonderful team of traders. Such supportive people. We're a family. We're here to support and help everyone. We're over 20 platforms at the same time, but our main home is YouTube. If you join us here, you will see everything shared with you on the screen, and we have a lot to give you as well, so make sure you do come over here. All right, Leah is in the live chat. Let's get straight into with Leah. There we go. And Dodge Nitro Jude, did you get monetized? Well, hopefully you should know that, because you should have just seen a commercial break, unless you're on your phone or iPad. I saw the ads but skipped them. Slicky said, I saw the ads, but I skipped them. Yeah, that's fine. You can skip them. You're just stealing off me. What are you doing, skipping the ads? You got to sit there, watch the ads, watch them for half an hour. Yeah, he said he skipped them. So that's your ticket to the show, that is. Right, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. If it's your very first time, welcome, welcome. Smash the like button. Yes, we are now a brand new monetized channel. Can you believe it? We got approved in 1 hour. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, and Dodge says, I've got premium. If you've got premium, that means you don't see the ads as well. Yep, that's correct. You don't see the ads if you're premium. Well, all day things have been improving. We're up 0.86 on the hour. Remember I said to you, Monday afternoon we'd see a recovery. Well, that's exactly what's happened. Monday afternoon we've got a recovery. That's exactly what's happening right now. I'm very, very pleased to see that is indeed what's happening. So we're all doing well. Of course, at the moment, I'm trying to make a trade with Robinhood. Here is Robinhood. It needs to get to 21.38 to break even. So we have a little while to go. 19, 20, 21. Yeah, it's got like $2 to go before I can sell those 15 shares to make any money on there. So we've got a bit of way to go. Let's bring everyone's comments in. We've got Dodge Nitro Jude. That's why he didn't see the adverts. He pays for premium. I saw the ads but skipped them. Evening all, Dave Mottram. I love that. I like that. I like how he's so honest. I saw the ads, but I skipped them. I love it. Great stuff. Well, thank you very much indeed. Let's see what happens today. We shall see what happens now. All right, good. Let's have a quick cup of tea. And let's see how we go today. All right. Good morning, everybody. Just got out of bed. What? Balasir just got out of bed. If you're listening to us over on TikTok, come into YouTube. The link is behind the profile. If you're listening to us on the podcast, come and join us. The information is below the podcast. And we're just talking to Balasir from Austin, Texas. He says, good morning, everybody. I just got out of bed. What's going on? What have you been doing, Balasir? How come you've been in bed all day? What is going on? Anyway, did you see the ads when you came in, Balasir? If you're on a computer, you should have done. In fact, anywhere you see the first ad, unless you've got ad blocker or you've got premium, and then you miss all the ads. But anyway, good stuff. So we said a recovery would come in the afternoon, and here it is, up 0.7. It's not anywhere near what we need. A long, long, long way to go. I'm $10,000 off my all-time highs right now, and that's not good. But hopefully we'll see some improvements to that, and things will get better. Anyway, it is what it is. All right, it is what it is. It's been a tough couple of weeks for everybody, but I hope you're all holding well. I haven't done anything at all. I just sat and waited. Yes, I did. Congratulations, my friend. Thank you very much indeed. It was an amazing moment. It happened on Saturday afternoon. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to all of you, really. It's why it happened. So thank you ever so much for all of you for supporting the show, as you all do. That's why it happened. But can you now see in the actual show itself, in the live chat, there is a super sticker and what do you call it? A super chat. If you want to get your name featured and support the show, you can. That is now there in YouTube. Absolutely fantastic. You can see it right there. So hopefully you'll all find fun doing that. We had this morning, Balasir, no, not Balasir, it was Muzanella and somebody else from Slovenia. And also it was Bill. They did a super sticker this morning. So there you go. Rivian pumping up because motor trend news. Let's have a look. Yeah, Rivian is doing great. Rivian really now has a good stability. I feel very comfortable with the stock. Very comfortable indeed. I feel it's 108 was its bottom. It's trading sideways. I think Rivian has now established itself. When we start growing and getting the numbers out and the cars out and the trucks out, this is only going to go up from here. So yeah, Rivian is a solid stock now. It's money all the way now. It's great to be in it at this stage. Just watch it grow in time. Tesla's going to come back as well. I wouldn't be surprised in the next few minutes we start seeing Tesla rise up as well. But of course, Hood is the one we're all very keen on seeing this rise. For our friend Muzanella, of course, we want to see this rise. So anyway, let's keep our eye on it. And if you've just come into the show, smash the like button. And if you're very first time, subscribe and ring the bell. Absolutely great. Okay, who we got in the chat now? Is Wix stock good? WIX. Dodge, I've not got no knowledge on that one, I'm afraid. So I can't give any opinion on that. I don't actually have any of it. Don't follow it. So I don't know. If anybody else knows, let me know. All right. Okay. Let's go over to and give everybody in the chat the all links button. If you're new here, one link does everything. If you want the free stocks, the free shares, I have got an almighty offer to give to everyone today. Unbelievable. If you've not yet got WEBULL, look at this. 5 free stocks being given away up to a value of 8,300, and some people do get the high stocks, so it does happen. Use my referral. Absolutely great. I've just dropped it in the chat. An amazing offer I wanted to share with you this afternoon. Absolutely unbelievably stonking. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. What an offer right now. So get that. That's 5 free stocks. Right, Robinhood is lifting off just as predicted. Monday afternoon, seeing a recovery. Very, very good. And we're going to keep watching that grow as that happens. Fantastic. If you've just joined us, smash the like button. My friend got a Tesla share with WEBULL. Really? Oh my God. What an amazing deal that is. So if you don't have WEBULL, if there's any way you can set up a second account, I don't think you can, but if anyone here does not have WEBULL, use my referral link, because that is an insane deal right now. Absolutely insane deal. All right. We've got all sorts of different offers. We've got the WEBULL offer. We've got eTORO as well. They're giving me some money to thank me for referring, so I give you $10 of it back. So there's another one. Robinhood as well, of course. You've got the free stocks. There you go. There's the Robinhood one. I got WIX from WEBULL. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. There's a great offer right now going on COINBASE. It's called Learn to Earn. I think it is. Whatever it is. And I've done it several times. I earned like $20-30 a time for like 2 minutes of my time. Sit there and click a few buttons and learn a few things, and they pay you. So use my referral and get onto that. You get some free money, and then you can get some more free money. It's very good. All right, in the past hour, if we go over to the iPhone, we're up 0.8% in the last hour. Things are improving. Let's keep that trend going. And see how far we can get it. Absolutely fantastic. Let's see how far we can get it. We are looking, of course, the main thing we're looking at is is Robinhood. That's what we're looking at. That's what we want to see do well. Is Robinhood. So let's see that rise up there and see if we can get that trade out today. It would be nice. That's what I'm looking to do. It might happen, it might not, but that's what I'm trying to do. Who knows? It might happen. I'm just looking at your information coming into me now. Let me have a look. Okay. Okay, just watching a few things right now. We've only got just 20 minutes left to go, so we'll start the timer in 15 minutes time. In 3.5 minutes time for the countdown, and let's see if we can keep this climbing all the way down to the bell. And don't forget, on the hour as well, I want everyone's scores on the doors and see who wins the day trade of the day. My position right now, I mean, it's improved in the hour, but it's still down. We're down 3% today, but we are improving now. So I've got a terrible day, but I haven't done anything with it. I've not been able to buy any dips, nothing fantastic at all today, unfortunately. But thanks ever so much for being here today. It's a hard day. But subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We've got 10 likes right now. Let's see if we can get up to 20 likes, which is our average. So we're a bit slow today. I want your feedback, guys. I want your feedback. I need to know what you feel, what you think with the ads. How many ads do you feel is fair to have during a live stream? Every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, an hour. How often do you think is right for me to post an ad during the show? Remember, you can skip it after 5 seconds. How do you feel? I want to get a gauge of how all of you feel, because you're the guys who made this happen. So I want to see what you all feel about that. These are all the shares right now that are moving up. Lucid is up today, 4.5%. I'm glad Lucid returned. Robinhood, we're watching it. Try to get that up now in the last 15 minutes or so. PayPal is down today. Immersion is down 4.45. On is down 3.63. Robinhood is down, Rolls-Royce is down 5.18. That's the engines, not the cars, remember. Boeing is down 3.43. Apple is down 1.16. This is the good news that is gonna come out with Robinhood. Robinhood now has teamed up with this chain analysis ahead of crypto wallet launch. This is going to be great. This tells you it's all about to happen. It's just a matter of time. It's the same with a lot of things, you have to wait, have patience, but it's all coming. And when it comes out, it's gonna boost the stock enormously. New is down 10%, and knew that wasn't a good idea. Rather not have adverts in the live show. Don't mind when I enter, but not whilst I am in. Okay, fair enough. I perfectly understand that. But what I was thinking is about every half an hour or 45 minutes, something like that, would run it just while I take a breather. So I sip my tea, I run the ad for like 5 seconds, and you can just skip it. That was my plan, but I want to hear everyone's honest opinions. Nobody loves ads. You'd rather have no ads at all. I totally get it. It's why I prefer the BBC. But obviously, I want to try and earn some money. At the minute, I'm expecting to earn about $1 a day from doing this. How about after 3 hours? All right. So I'll sit here for 3 hours and then I'll run an ad to earn $1. All right. I'll do that. It depends on how long is your show. So, well, yeah. At the moment, the shows tend to... This show today is an hour. This show is an hour. The closing bell is an hour. The morning show this morning was, I think, 2.5 hours. I think it was 2.5, nearly 3 hours this morning. So, yeah, you tell me. I want it to be, you built this, and I want to know what you feel. So, I know, everybody would rather say no ads at all, but then I wouldn't earn anything at all from the shows. There'd be no point. But then you don't want an advert every 5 minutes either, because everybody would switch off and that would be useless, right? It's finding the right balance. But remember, you can skip the ads as well. You're not forced to watch the whole ad. And of course, it wouldn't come at obvious points in the show, obviously, and ruin the show. I wouldn't do that. Dr. Smith, good morning to you. Welcome, good afternoon. Today is a red day. You're not kidding. In 1 hour, 4 to 5. Oh, okay. So 3 hours would be perfect. You should earn your money trading. I just watched an ad. Hey, get in. Right, I'll tell you guys, I will tell you in 24 to 48 hours, it will tell me what today's show earned. And I will tell you. I will share on the screen so you know. I'm not going to lie, exaggerate, promote it, make it less. I'm going to tell you the truth. And then you can decide. All right? Because at the end of the day, this show is your show. No question about it. And I'll never put an ad in, you know, as we're about to ring the bell or something's happening or all trading or something's going on. I'm not going to do what TV does and just cut in at any point in the film and just blurt it out. But the priority is the quality of this show. But at the same time, I want to earn something from it. So it's get the balance right. Ethereum is down 7%. Dr. Smith, can you believe this today? Bitcoin down, but it's improving now over the hour. It's improving. Michael Goga from Facebook. Michael Goga, what are you tracking? We're tracking all kinds of different stocks. Michael Goga, I'm going to come and find you over there on YouTube and give you the link for you. Sorry, over there on Facebook. And I'm going to give you the link for YouTube. You need to be with me here on YouTube. Don't know what is going on. Well, a lot of it, Dr. Smith, is to do with the Fed and the inflation rates through the roof. So that's part of it. Michael Goga. Where's Michael Goga? Let me go and find Michael Goga. He's over there on Facebook, and I'm going to invite him into the family over here on YouTube. And let's get him into the right place, because he's on Facebook. He's all by himself. We can't give him any of the links for any of the good stuff. All the free coin and the free shares. We got a great deal today, by the way. WEBULL are giving 5 stocks away. Unbelievable that is. So where is he? He's not over on Facebook. Is he on the page? Let's have a look, see where he is. There he is. There's Michael Goga. So Michael, I'm giving you the link here to YouTube. Come and join us here on YouTube. And here we go. I'm going to give you in the live chat now, just under your comment. You can see everything that we're doing. Come and talk to my team, and I can share with you some great links, some free offers that we've got. Basically, I get paid by companies to promote their brokerages, and what I do is I give it back to you. All right, I want to help and support my families and my traders here as much as possible. It's all about supporting you, right? So anyway, Alex Hunt. Live ads will never pay you, will pay as you will never have enough people watching. A viral video, on the other hand, will generate your desired income. Well, I do both, Alex. I do both, of course. We shall see. We shall see. Live ads will never pay you as you will never have enough people watching. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'm quite happy with what the number I've got now, and every day it goes up. We averaged 20 people a show. We've had as high as 53, wasn't it? We've had 200 people watching live in the show at one point. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Ethereum is really cheap, right? A great time to buy right now, in my opinion. Peter Brazier, I totally agree with you. Totally agree. Alex, you're absolutely right. I mean, I haven't made a lot of videos. Right now, I've been concentrating on the live community, building it up as we go, and we'll see how it goes, though. I will know in 24 hours what this morning's video and today's video made. We'll find out soon. Yes, buy the dip, indeed. Looking at, is it slow-mo, guys? 40 million views on some vids, 40,000 ad revenue for one video. 40 million views on some videos and 40,000 ad revenue, 40,000 for one video. Yeah, that seems about right. That seems about right. Hey, listen, Alex. If I get $1 a show, it's $1 more than I had before. I'm happy with that. I mean, let's see what happens. You know, I take care of the pennies, pounds take care of themselves. Anything right now, I just love being here. But this is my full-time job. I've got about 4 months left of savings left now. I've been doing this, living off savings to try to generate an income from doing this. So, you know, I paid the mortgage off, paid the car loan off. This is my savings. I need to bring something in. So I don't need a lot, but I need something to come in. I don't need $40,000 a show. No, what did you say? Yeah, $40,000 a show. Yeah, I don't need that much. I don't need that much. If I could get $50 a show, I would regard that as brilliant. If every time I sat down with you I was paid $50, I'd be thrilled to bits with that. Absolutely thrilled to bits with that. We'll see what happens. Anyway, we've got just 8 minutes to go before the bell goes, and at that point we want to find out who is the day trader of the day. This is the good news for Robinhood. We've got the crypto wallets on their way. Ridiculous how long it takes, but they've got to get it right, of course. I'd imagine it's a very complex thing as well. So anyway, Ethereum has been going down all day. I totally agree that this is the time to buy it. Bitcoin as well. I believe, I said this morning, I believe that we're at the edge of a parabolic curve, and we'll at some point we're going to turn up and we're going to go up. We're going to keep going and going for a while. I do still believe that Bitcoin could reach 100,000 by the end of the year. I still believe that. I think that's completely doable. We shall see what happens. We shall see what happens. All right. So we're just coming up now. We've got just 7 minutes to go. Not a lot of action right now. And we're just waiting now to see if Hood could pop up to ring the bell. It's been going up now in the last 2 or 3 hours. We've been moving up. Long way to go. I'm 50% in Ethereum. My portfolio is bleeding. Yeah, I can imagine. Christmas rally would be nice. I believe it's going to happen. I'm 50. The signs are all there. I think we've oversold. I think the market has oversold everything. I think this is huge sell-offs. I think there's good news coming down the line. I would say we're going to be okay. Okay. How did you gig? It was a great night. I really enjoyed it, Balasir. Thanks for asking. And it was quite funny as well because I spent my time with some very big on the floor stock exchange traders. Guys, managers of the floor, managers at the big guns, and I was telling them about my portfolio, my show, and one guy called Christopher is going to come in. He's one of the funding managers from investment managers from Barclays Bank, and he's going to come in and watch the show. He liked what I did, and he liked the show, and he liked my strategy, And you said, I got it right. You said, Martyn, you've got it right. Everything you're doing and saying is spot on. This morning on the show, very sad this morning, I don't know if anybody remember, but this morning a guy came in and he was from India. And he said that he got liquidated. He got liquidated this morning. He had $200. He 10 times leverage, and he lost everything. They liquidated him, lost all his money, and he was asking for help and support. And I did as much for him as I can. But I said, there's no free money. There's all sorts of offers here of free money, but I can't just give you cash, without you doing anything at all. And it's quite sad. Well, there was another guy who I believe was trying to scam him, to be honest. He was in the live chat saying, I can help you, I can give you free money. I went, no one's going to give you free money. I said, I give you money that I get given and I give it you back, but I'm not just going to write you a blank check. And this other guy was in the chat this morning. Do you remember that this morning, guys? And he was offering to give him free money and all sorts and leading him down a dark path. But hopefully I prevented that. He joined the Discord group as well, and he's been asking some questions over there as well. But hopefully that's not. He didn't get stung. All right, we got 4 minutes before the bell goes, so we'll be right back in just 5 seconds from now. We're going to flip an ad and just click skip the ad. Here we go. There you go. I don't know if you saw that ad at all. Is everybody back with me? Dodge said, did I get monetized? Yep. There you go. Did you all see that? How did that all work? Did you all skip that? All right. Here we go. Muzanella. We're now coming up to the bell in just a couple of minutes. Yep, I saw it. I'm not skipping the ad. Bala said, I'm not skipping the ad. I want my mate to earn 1 cent. I'm going to watch the whole bloody thing. Yeah. Love it. Well. Yep, Dave did. Dave said it. Dave said he doesn't want to see an ad. He only wants to see an ad every 3 hours. So I'm monitoring your experiences. I'm asking you about your experience. The other thing as well, guys, today is, I don't know if you've noticed this, but we are broadcasting in a much higher quality now. He doesn't answer, bullish or not. I do answer, but you're over there on TikTok. You need to be here on YouTube. My friends on TikTok, I do answer, but I need you on YouTube. I can't talk to you on TikTok. I can't share any links to you. So click the icon here, the profile, and you can come straight over. Bullish or no, I'm very bullish. I don't understand bullish and bearish. But why would you be in a stock if you wasn't bullish on it? I mean, you should always, the company's always good until you sell it, right? I mean, obviously. So I'm bullish on all my stocks. Okay, sorry. No, not at all. Not at all. I'm actually got trading screens in front of me here, and I've got a team of traders I'm talking to, but you don't see any of it unless you come to YouTube. Click the icon here, click the profile, and come into YouTube, and you can talk to my team. Right, we've got 1 minute to go. Here we go to close the bell. Do not put your scores up on the door until you see me do it, right? Right, everybody, you wait. This is to close the bell. We've got 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Do not put your scores on the door until you see me. What charting are you using? I'm using WEBULL, I'm using Robinhood, but mainly it's not a chart. This is not a chart show. I go by emotion, not emotion as in like, emotion's a bad thing with trading. It's a belief of where I believe stocks are going, a sense for it, a feeling for it. Very, very important, right? Okay, the bell's about to go in 15 seconds from now. Get ready. Here we go. Bell's going to go now in just a few seconds. Here we go. All right, that's the end of today's trading day. What a day that was. We've got a little bit of time now in the after hours to see what happens. Let's see if we get any movement here on Hood. Did it rise up? It did continue to rise up a bit. Let's see what happens in the after hours. Oh, I'm here. There we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, I am here. I can't pronounce your name. Anyway, VIG.io wasn't a bad actually. LOL. What's that? VIG.io wasn't a bad ad, actually. Oh! Wasn't a bad ad, actually. Nico is back. Hello, Nico from Slovenia. How are you? How are you? When will we see reverse action? I'm expecting that any time now. I think we will get up. It is. I was on TikTok. Oh, welcome. Welcome over here to YouTube. Much better, as you can see. You can see a lot more things here, and I'm very glad you've joined us. This is my studio where I am right now. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is my journey. This is the money I've made live on the show from 5,500 to 58,000. We're now back at 48. We've lost $10,000 in the last week, but we haven't lost it. I've repositioned. And we're just repositioning and waiting for a return. I'm not losing money. Everything's good. Everything's doing well. I'm not doing that good. Bitcoin is still bad. Yes, indeed it is. But thanks. We're actually going up now in the after hours with Robinhood. This is encouraging. Encouraging sign. So, right. I want everyone now to go to their main portfolio and put on the doors their score. As you can see, I am down 3.2. Don't put it until you see it on the screen. When you see me put mine, you have 1 minute. So down 3.24, and we're going to see who is the day trader of the day. You ready? Okay. I've posted it, and wait for everyone now to post your... There you go. Got 1 minute from now. Who wins today? Dr. Nathan Smith is down 4.52. Dave Mottram goes into the lead. All gone pear-shaped, down 4.2 as well. So Dave Mottram is in the lead. I'm in second place with down 3.24. Balasare is up 0.12 as Balasare won the day. It looks like Balasare has won the day. Congratulations to Balasare, up 0.12. Absolutely great. Look at that. Well done. Didn't expect big numbers today, of course. Anything up is good, so congratulations to you. Thumbs up to you, mate. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much for sharing your honest trades. Oh, Bill, you were just a little bit too late. Shall we let Bill in? Shall we let Bill in? Bill is up 2.9. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how you're doing it, Bill. It's Bill is up 2.97. How can you be up when Virgin Galactic is down so much? I don't know how you're doing it. Bill got it. Yep, all right. There you go. Thank you, Bill. Absolutely amazing. Bill is just blinding it. I don't know how he does it every day. He's won like 2 or 3 days in a row now. So there we go. Congratulations. Give him a big round of applause. And congratulations. Give it to Bill. I did. I gave it to Bill. Congratulations, Bill. Everybody's loving it, mate. You've done very, very well. And Bill, have you got and of course, Muzanella, we know. We don't even want to talk about it, but we all send our love and support to Muzanella. Such a support to the show, such a loyal member of the family, does everything right. But at the moment, he's just paying a price for being involved in Robinhood. We all are. And it's very, very difficult, but he still sends his congratulations there to Bill. So thank you ever so much, Muzanella. Tough old times right now. For those of you who have just tuned in the show, Let me share a few of our team right now. We've got Dr. Nathan Smith. He's in the house today with his mug. And Muzanella suffering right now, bleeding. And Christopher from Canada. Sam, who was with us this morning, who did a really good trade, but got flagged as a day trader. He doesn't have 25,000 in his brokerage, so he doesn't have the ability to trade indefinitely. There's Robert Durant, Dave Mottram, of course, Queen of Self-Braiding, and Genius. Queen of Self-Braiding thanked everybody this morning for getting her over 200 subscribers. Plus, in fact, she was very, very happy with that, you can imagine. Dave Mottram, need to listen to you, Bill, on your trading tips, not mine. Yeah. Well, Bill's doing what I'm doing, so I don't. Bill copies me. Literally, will tell you he follows me, but I don't know how he can be up when I'm down. I don't know. Well, of course I can. Different position, different times. Yeah. Don't listen to me. You should never listen to me anyway. Right. Let's have a look. Bill is saying in Canada, William is inviting you to join Wealthsimple. There you go. He's sharing his link with everybody. Wonderful stuff. Right, now Robinhood is just dropping now. Oh, I got a super chat from Muzanella, everybody. Oh, look at that. I need to feature people when they do that. Let me put that on the screen. Look at that. Super chat from Muzanella. Look at that, everybody. Tip supporting the show. Absolutely amazing. You get your name mentioned in the show when you do that. And you go into the fan hall of fame when you do that. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you ever so much indeed. Maybe he gets a vet rate on his profits. Maybe he does. Maybe he does. Right, Bill has just sent me a message with his numbers. Let's have a look. If you're over there on TikTok, if you're on TikTok, I've got someone on TikTok having a right go at me right now. That's fine. You're missing the show. You don't know what you're having a go at. If you want to have a go at me, that's fine, but at least come into YouTube. Click the icon here, click the profile. Are you brave enough to take on my traders? You can insult me. Do it on YouTube with all my friends and family. You'll see what I'm trading. You'll have the links to my free Bitcoin and my free coins and all the rest of it. I'm here to support everyone. If you want that, just come over to YouTube. Where you are right now, you see and hear nothing. All right, okay. It just went down as I sent you the screenshot. Okay, here is Bill's situation. This is what Bill is investing in. All right, this is what Bill's got. So I'm going to show you. It's a very I got another. Whoa! I got another super chat today. You guys are the best. Let me bring this one in as well. Look at that super chat. This is Bill's position right here. Let me share it with everybody. Look, here we go. This is Bill's position. This is what he has. He has a very small portfolio, very focused. All stocks that I have, by the way, Apple, Evgo, Peloton, and now you can see Space is up 1.36. I tell you where it is. It's Apple that's doing it for Bill. Because he's got a bigger position. Yes, he's got a bigger position. No, hang on. He's got... yeah, it's because of Apple, I think. Not so much SPCE. Did you buy... you must have bought when it was right at the bottom, Bill. That's what he did. He didn't buy very much at the top, and he's bought more at the bottom. So that's what he's done. But that's Bill's position. That's how Bill is winning right now. Everybody got that? Cool. There we go. That's how he's doing it. That's how he's wiping the floor with all us lot. Congratulations to Bill. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Thank you very much indeed for the super stickers, guys. There's super stickers and super chat. There's two different types of things you can do. Bill, well done, dude. There, everyone's chup. Muzanella, thank you. No, thank you, guys. Thank you for being here every day. By the way, on Saturday is when we broke through the 4,000 hours, and Elon slating Bitcoin today and pro Dodge. Yeah, don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. You got any thoughts on what's going to happen to Bitcoin? I still have my 50 in it. Yeah, I mean, end of the day, don't listen to me what I say. Listen to me what I do. This is my Bitcoin. I'm not selling it. I have. It's one of my biggest parts of my portfolio, as you can see on the screen. I believe it's going to rise. I'm not fearful. I'm not selling out. I'm not in a position to buy more. And obviously, if I didn't think it was going to go up and rise to 100,000, 200,000 and keep going, I would sell it right now, wouldn't I? I would sell it. So there's your answer right there. The fact is I'm not selling it, and I'm down for the very first time on Bitcoin. But remember, I'm not actually down, even though it says I'm 541 down. That's because I've sold out and made money. I sold it when it got to 60,000 and 70,000. I took money off the top. So actually, I'm not down at all. I just took some money out of the game at the end. That's all. All right. Anyway. Absolutely awesome. That's why I'm in. I believe in it. I wouldn't be in it otherwise. So I'm currently down. I'm not. If I had more money right now, I wouldn't buy any more. Not because I don't believe in it. It's just that I think it's important to have a balanced portfolio and don't increase on stocks just because they're cheap or they've dropped. Unless you want to increase the size of the percentage of the portfolio within the portfolio, that is. So anyway. You got any thoughts on what's going to happen to Bitcoin? Yeah, that's my answer there. Dr. Nathan Smith, awesome. Balasir, yeah, he's thanking Dr. Smith for the super sticker. That is very kind. Instead of adverts, just make your money with people sending you stickers and super chat. You must be close to $20 now. Yeah, basically, another little thing on YouTube is you need to earn $100 in a month to be able to start the ball rolling, to cash out, okay? The idea is you want to get paid every month on YouTube, and you won't get paid. By the end of this month, I need to bid $100. So far, I'm up to about $20. I got about 15 this morning, and we're about $22 right now. I need to get to $100, and then it'll pay out this month, and it'll pay out. Then it will keep going as long as every month I get $100. That's kind of how it works. So if I can make if I can make $25 a week from doing this, I'll get paid $100 every month. So we've started very, very well on the first day, I have to say. Thanks, feeling more comfortable now. Yes, please do. Please feel comfortable, relaxed, but learn what Bitcoin really is. Learn why you invested in it. Don't invest in it because you heard everybody say it was a good idea. Invest in it because you know why you've invested in it. That's the point. It's really, really important that, because when I first invested in Bitcoin, I didn't know what it was. And it freaked me out when I lost $5 and it upset me. I mean, I don't want to lose any money. Not at all. Nico, were you the guy this morning? Was it you who got liquidated? No, it wasn't you, was it? It was a guy from India. You're from Slovenia, right? It was a guy from India this morning who got wiped out. It was him, wasn't it? He 10 times leveraged, if I remember correctly. Right, we've got some breaking news here from Muzanella. Very, very useful information. Robinhood plans crypto expansion with gifting feature. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Everyone get ready to give me some free Bitcoin. Let's share it. Look at this. Robinhood plans crypto expansion with new gifting feature. Hidden code discovered in beta version of iPhone app. Gifting feature would be an escalation of work with crypto. What's this? Robinhood Markets is working on a feature that will let users send cryptocurrency to others as a gift, according to code discovered in a beta version of the company's iPhone app. This is good. This is great. This is great. That'd be great because we could have competitions, right? For the day trader of the day, I could give someone some free Bitcoin. Literally, whoever wins today gets, 0.01 of a Bitcoin, and I just send it, boom, from my app. How cool would that be? How cool would that be? I'm straight away thinking how I can give that away. That's not what I should be doing. I should be thinking how I can make money, and I'm thinking how can I give that away? Right. The code indicates that the feature will allow the sending of cryptocurrency via digital gift cards that can be accompanied by messages up to 80 characters in length. A user who sends a cryptocurrency gift will also be able to react if anyone before it is accepted according to the code. The hidden code of the feature was discovered in a beta version of the app by developer Steve Moser and was shared with Bloomberg News. The feature is not available for use by customers. Will decline to comment. It's unclear when Robinhood may. I like this. Doesn't everyone like this? I think this is exciting. This is very exciting. That's cool. Let me read some of these comments that are coming in right now. Let me have a look at some of the comments that are coming in from you. Let's go over to Hood. Hood is now moving up in the after hours slightly. Let's have a look. How are you getting on with... Oh, the music. I haven't yet done it. I've got all the notes here from everybody. Everyone gave me the following notes. I've been told to look at... From all of you, NFT Polygon, I think that was from Dr. Smith, Mintable, Algorand. Yes, all those things there. And that's what I'm looking at right now, but I haven't yet moved on with that yet. I'm trying to get everything done. I didn't just got a thought. There is something going to happen. I didn't just got a thought. There is something going to happen to it. Yes, indeed. Good. I've got a big chat. Let me bring in a big chat here from Lotsaf. It just came out, and 90% of all Bitcoin has just been mined. Only 21 million Bitcoin can ever be mined. Just thought once that happens, price will. Yes, it will. Absolutely. That's why Bitcoin will be the number one cryptocurrency. Absolutely right. That's exactly the one of the reasons why I'm invested in it, because of that very fact. No. What are you saying no to, Dave Mottram? Not Martin Wallets. Not Martin's wallet again. So, same news as WhatsApp. What do you think of the metaverse? I think it's kind of sad that people can live virtual lives. Yeah, it's not for me. Peter Brazier, it doesn't interest me. I can't see it. I'm telling you that now. I love the technology and what I'm able to produce to you here, but it's tactile. I've got a button or a finger to press all the buttons. I've got I'm sitting here without a flipping set of goggles on. I'm sitting here looking at the real world on the screens. I'm fine with that. I don't want to sit here with a mask on and see you all virtually. I think that's a weird way to live. I don't fancy it. I like it the way it is. Peter Brazier, I'm happy with the way things are. I don't get that at all yet. So what does that mean? Nico, like he said, Bitcoin, why Bitcoin is one of the best crypto asset, in my opinion, is because it's limited to 21 million. And once all the Bitcoin has been mined, the value of the coin will go up and up and up because there'll be no more supply. That's why it fights inflation. If you can keep printing more money, money keeps getting worth less. If you only have a certain amount, the available Bitcoin that's in circulation will become more and more valuable. That's the point. That is the point. These are the things that you need to know before you buy into Bitcoin. Let me bring up another big chat here. I had my tea before, mate, 5 o'clock, and I had my meatballs, garlic bread, and pasta. Hang on. What do you have your tea and dessert? What? I did dessert and yogurt. Very nice. Once all the Bitcoin is mine, I see the price just going up and up. I totally agree. That's why I'm invested in it. Oh, so you're telling me I'm rich? Let's go. Yeah, in time. Supply is cut, but demand increases. Makes the price rocket. My Bitcoin is my retirement fund. I absolutely agree with all of that. That's why I am in it. That's why it's a big part of my portfolio. Exactly for that very, very reason. Anyway, we've got just 10 minutes left of the show. And thanks for that comment, by the way. Right, let's have a look. Let's go through the whole portfolio and let's see where we are at right now. Okay. The overall portfolio is down 3.34% today, but in the last hour we did see some upswing, but now we've dropped it down again. Tesla is down today. I would love to buy some Tesla, but I'm not using leverage to do it. Rivian is up, has had a good day today. Virgin Galactic down today. All sorts of issues there. As soon as I can make money on my Robinhood, 15 shares, I will take advantages of these dips. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Remember, let the stock come to you. Don't chase it. Keep calm. That's what it's all about. I want to thank as well, huge shout out today, on the day the channel became monetized, Muzanella for giving me a super chat there. That's absolutely awesome. And Dr. Nathan Smith, thank you for both of those. Look at that. Awesome. Thank you very, very much indeed. I can't thank you enough. It's such a lovely gesture. Thank you. Cool Studio. Is that a Cornish flag flapping around? Yes, it is. It is a Cornish flag, because I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. And you're absolutely right. That is a Cornish flag. Just gone out of view. You'll come back again in a minute. But yeah, it certainly is. Here it comes. There's the US one. There you go. You can see it. There's the US, the United Kingdom, and the Cornish flag. There you go. Just coming into view now. It's a bit shaded in that position. But well spotted, by the way. Well spotted. Yeah. I just noticed how hard that is to see on that angle, but very, very well done for spotting that. I like the fact that people notice these details. Great. Lucid has done well today. Recovered. Robinhood did improve. Again, a day trader's dream. The last block of Bitcoin won't be mined until 2140. Yeah, that's very true. As the hash rate gets higher and higher and higher, it'll take a long time to finish it all off, because the hunt for the last coin will go on for years. That's the point. The hash rate, the mathematical equation that requires to be done will increase. Bearing in mind, though, the figure of 2140 that they've given everybody, right, I don't think will be 2140. And the reason I say that is technology will improve and processing power will improve. So that's on today's processing power. Tomorrow's processing power will be a lot different. So I don't believe 2140 will be the time. I believe it will be many, many years before that, because many people will want Bitcoin to run out, because when Bitcoin has run out and there's no more, the price will just exponentially grow. And every year that goes by, technology improves, and the hash rate which is the complexity of the mathematical equation that will increase, so will the technology to solve that equation. So it will go up and up and up. So I don't believe 2140 will be the time. I believe it'll be a lot quicker than that, because we will create faster and faster processing power to solve those equations. Does everybody else agree with me, or do you agree with Paul saying 2140? I did not know that. Well, there you go. At least my kids are going to have money. Now, listen, that's 2140 doesn't mean at 2140 suddenly it will go up. It's going to go up leading up to that from now. It's going to go up forever. Exactly, especially with quantum computing. Exactly. People talk about 2140 on the basis of today. Hey, Kamesh is here. Over there on Facebook. You need to be here on YouTube. I've no idea what you're doing over there. If you want to talk to the team and see what's going on, I'm going to come and grab you over there on Facebook. Let me find you. Where are you today? Are you watching me on Facebook? My profile or the page? Let me have a look. He's not there on the profile. Let's have a look. Let's see if he's on the page. Kamesh, there he is. Right, Kamesh, I'm giving you the YouTube link. Come and join us. That's where you want to be involved in the show. Alex Hunt, China even has a quantum computer in space. There you go. Yeah. Quantum computing could attack Bitcoin. There you go. It'll speed up and speed up and speed up. There you go. I saw your GGPI position, picked up GGPI at 10 and didn't sell at 16. I have to learn how to take profit. Yes, always take profit. Never be afraid to take profit. Absolutely. Profit is profit. Don't own the stock forever. Don't join a fan club. Yes, GGPI. Yes, indeed. When the merger goes through with Polestar, I learned this from Muzanella. We have Muzanella to thanks for this. All my stocks have been researched by all of you. We all learn from each other. I just sent you a text. All right, you sent me a text. Let me have a look. I got a private text. Cheers, congratulations, well deserved. Look at this. This is I tell you what, that's a sweet picture, isn't it? I love that picture. This is a lovely, lovely, lovely gesture from Muzanella. Look at this. He just said congratulations, well deserved. He's talking about obviously monetizing the channel. We've sat down here for 5 months and hours and hours and hours and hours a day. There you go. Thank you ever so much for letting me post it. He's having a beer. I tell you what, doesn't he have a beautiful setting there in Florida? Oh my gosh, look at that. That's an indoor. Is that an indoor pool you've got there? That's a beautiful indoor. Or is that outside? I think that's an inside pool. Oh God, I want to go swimming in your pool, Muzanella. That looks amazing to me. Thank you ever so much for that wonderful picture. Thank you very much for being here. That's amazing. Love that. Awesome. I have an Insta360 one ×2. You can live in YouTube in 360. You could go live in YouTube in 360. Oh my God. Outside, outdoor. Please stop by. I'd love to. That looks awesome. Don't know they had Stella in America. Yeah, we do, mate. Believe it or not. Great tasting beer as well. Outdoor. Please stop by. I'd love to. Absolutely. My first beer for the day. Well, of course, talking about beer, starting today. Yep, you knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. Yep, guess what? The song of the day now becomes a Christmas song. Here it is, my Christmas song of the day. There you go. Do you want to have a quick clip? All right, I've got to mute it because I don't want to get myself in trouble for my own on day one. Here we go. Do you like my Christmas jumper? It's the most wonderful time of the year. That one. I've done that. A bit of what's he called? Forgot his name now. Oh, blimey. The girls watch what's he called? Ah, blimey. Anyway, it's the most wonderful time of the year. That's my featured Christmas song of the day. There we go. Coming to the end. Right at the end of this video, if you all go and check that out, you can go and see that. The most wonderful time of the year. And go and check it out. Give me a comment, thumbs it all up. And that's it from me. I've got the Drive Home show in 30 minutes time here live on my other channel, the music channel. For those of you, Andy Williams, that's what I meant to say. Andy Williams, yeah. For those of you that not been here before, that is the music channel. That's where I'll be in half an hour from now, here in my studio, with a beer from Muzanella, it looks like. All right. Singing my songs, doing some Christmas songs, of course, and there you go. Hopefully you'll come and join me. If not, I'll see you all back in the morning. You've been absolutely wonderful. Thank you ever so much for being here. Can go live in 360. Wow, that's absolutely awesome. My favorite beers are Peroni, Heineken, Stella. All right, I'm going to wrap up the show. Make sure you stick to the end because there'll be an ad right at the end of the show. I'm not going to put it before the end. That's a bit cheeky, but I'm going to put it right at the very end of the show. You've been absolutely wonderful. So today we've seen some recoveries. It's coming. I know it's coming. I'm not overly concerned, but thank you all very, very much for being here. It's been an absolutely wonderful day. Just thought you could play all your adverts on your own channel. Just a thought, you could play all your adverts on your own channel. Yeah, well, that's kind of what I just did by playing that, didn't I? That's kind of what I did. So go and check out that song, right? It's the most wonderful time of the year. It is the Christmas song of the day. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you all back in the morning for the closing bell. Sorry, the opening bell. And I've got a funny feeling we're going to start seeing some things increase. So take care of yourselves and each other.